Arif Chatkhara, Lahore, Pakistan. His name is Muhammad Javerd. He's soft-spoken, methodical, and deeply proud of what he does. For over 3 decades, this man from Kashmir has been serving up one of Lahore's most iconic dishes, Tawa Chicken Piece, right here at Arif Chatkhara Food Point. He didn't just stumble into this job. He made a choice, a commitment. 35 years ago, he stepped into this kitchen and never left. He's never worked anywhere else. Never made anything else. Just one dish. Perfected over a lifetime. This is not fast food. This is not trend chasing. This is a craft, a ritual. And for Muhammad Javerd, it's personal. In the buzzing streets of Lahore's food district, Arif Chatkhara holds a reputation that stretches far beyond the city. People travel from other towns, other provinces, just to taste what's made here. It begins with chicken, marinated, then fried until the outside turns golden and crisp. But that's just the foundation. What follows is what makes it famous. A thick, bubbling sauce is prepared separately, with ingredients that have been kept secret for years. But what we do know is this: it's built with yogurt and milk cream, white pepper, black pepper, green chili, red chili flakes, garam masala, and other local sauces. A blend only this shop knows completely. As the chicken rests, the sauce is stirred and reduced until it reaches a perfect texture, creamy, spicy, and rich with layered flavor. Every movement, every sizzle, builds toward that unmistakable aroma. This is what people wait for. A single chicken piece, seared, soaked, and slathered in flavor. It's not just food, it's memory, it's tradition. Arif Chatkhara Food Point was founded decades ago by a man named Arif Butt. His vision was simple: bold flavors, real spice, no shortcuts. And now it's his 3rd generation that runs the shop, carrying forward the legacy. But Muhammad Javerd has been the constant. Through all the changes, through all the years, he stayed. One man, one dish, one unshakable dedication. To watch him work is to see a kind of quiet mastery. So if you ever find yourself in Lahore, follow the smell of sizzling spice through the winding streets. Look for the griddle, look for the flame, and look for the man behind it all, Muhammad Javerd, still at work and still perfecting one of Pakistan's most beloved street food icons.